Do you know what a dividend is? A dividend is a thank you for being a shareholder and you get to share in the profits. And dividends normally come out every quarter. That's what I want to take advantage of in my portfolio to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. So let's take a look at two dividend ETFs because I like to invest in ETFs. This is the favorite platform that I like to use to look at ETFs. And this is the ETFDB.com. That stands for the ETF database. So what I like to do is go to search bar right here. And the first ETF that I'm going to look at is SCHD. And that's the Charles Schwab US Dividend ETF. And my goal is to increase the shares that I have. So the first thing I'm going to look at is, of course, the price. This is $27.40. And the red arrow, it just means that the price was down yesterday. Now it could be down for different reasons. The market could have been down. They could have had an event that could have sent the market down, like a tweet from, I'm just going to say a tweet, or a lot of the stocks within this ETF had a down day. So first I like to look at the expense ratio. Now the expense ratio is 0.06%. And I like to keep it under 1% because ETFs charge up. The expense ratio is what ETFs charge for yearly, and did I say it right? Charge yearly. And the more shares you have, it adds up. So that's why I like to keep it under 1%. Next thing, I like to look at the holdings. Now, the top 15 holdings. The first one is Merck and Company. Now, in this column, it tells you the highest, it ranks it by highest to lowest. So Merck is the highest percentage in this ETF. We have Cisco Systems, just looking at it quickly, Coca-Cola. So these companies within this ETF pays dividends. So say I wanted to just buy the stock for Coca-Cola. That means I would get a dividend from Coca-Cola if they pay it that quarter. But now that I have an ETF and it has all these companies within it, Home Depot, and the number of holdings, it shows you right down here, the number of holdings in this ETF is 100. So that means I'm getting 100 companies in this ETF that's paying dividends. So once again, if I wanted to buy the stock, I'd just be buying one stock and that stock would be paying me dividends. But in this ETF, I'm getting exposure to all these companies and they're paying a dividend. So that's what I want to increase. That's why I want to increase the shares that I have. Okay, so let's look at the next one. The next one I have is V, and that's the Vanguard ETF. This one is $143.54. The expense ratio is the same. Let's just check a look at the holdings. So at any time, you can look at this ticker symbol, and the ticker symbol is just like an abbreviation. You just type in the ticker symbol, and it'll show you the company itself. So we have Broadcom, that's 8%, 8.2%, 23% of this ETF. And JP Morgan Chase. Okay, so it has companies. It has Home Depot, like the other one, Coca Cola. Let's see. This one has 568 companies in this one ETF. So that can explain why it costs more. You get an exposure to more companies. Okay, so as an investor, and you're an investor, once you start buying stocks or ETFs, you're investing your money. So as an investor, I just want to quickly look at these ETFs, and I want to increase my portfolio because I want to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years through investing. So if you just want to um, if you want to have some more information about the terms, and say you're a new investor and you don't know what I'm talking about when I say portfolio, or I have a tool that you could download. It's free, and it'll just help you with the lingo. So don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you're investing for. Are you investing for a home, or are you investing for retirement? I'm investing in my Fidelity account to leave my 9 to 5 in 5 years. What's your goal? Just let me know. Just leave me a comment. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And watch me and come along with this journey, and we'll learn together. Bye for now.